Hey Health Science 1 classes, Mrs. Combs here. I'm just making a little video for you to give you a bit more clarification on the abdominal pelvic regions of the body. One, because the slide that was in our slide presentation in class is a little busy. And two, because this is going to be the information that is on our first quiz for this unit. So when we're thinking of the abdominal pelvic regions of the body, the main thing that you want to remember first is the difference between your right and your left. And the reason why I bring this up is as I am looking at a model or my subject, my right side is different than their left side. So when we're talking about the right and left abdominal regions, we are referring to the right side of the body of the model or the subject and the left side of the body of the model subject diagram. Okay? So there are 9 abdominal pelvic regions. They're divided into 3 different columns and then 3 different rows. Okay? The right column and the left column have the exact same names. They're just differentiated by the right or whether they're left. Okay? Now the right and the left column are also named after the bones that are near or within those regions. So the first region we are going to talk about is the right hypochondriac region. So the prefix hypo means below or under. Chondriac means cartilage, and in this scenario we're talking about the cartilage of the rib cage. So when we say right hypochondriac region, it is anything that is contained on the right side in the area that is underneath the cartilage of the ribs. So this is the right hypochondriac region, and this is the left hypochondriac region. Okay? Moving down, what body part is contained in this middle row here? The lumbar spine. Okay? So this region right here is referred to as the right lumbar region and the left lumbar region. Moving down even further, the part of this bone here is called the iliac crest. So this region right here is referred to as the right iliac region and the left iliac region. So that takes care of 6 of our 9 regions of the abdominal pelvic area. Moving on. The center 3, so that middle column is referred to in what is in relation to the stomach. So these were named after where they are in relation to the bones. These regions are named after where they are in relation to the stomach. So this top region here is called the epigastric region. The prefix epi means above, and gastric is referring to like stomach or belly. Okay? So in the epigastric region, that contains everything that's above the stomach. Now, if you're looking into it, the epigastric region actually contains the stomach organ itself. However, for this first quiz, we do not need to know what structures are located within these regions. We just need to know what the regions are and where they're located. Okay? So moving down from the epigastric region, we have the umbilical region. When you think of the word umbilical, think umbilicus or navel. Umbilicus is another name for your navel or your belly button. Okay? So when you think about your navel, it is right in the center of your abdominal region, just like this umbilical region is right in the center of all 9 of the abdominal pelvic regions. Moving on down, in our final region is the hypogastric region. The prefix hypo means below, and as we recall, gastric is referring to stomach or belly, so it is everything that is below the stomach or the belly. I hope this was good review for you and provided a little bit more clarification and is a good study tool for your quiz. Have a good day.